Experiencing problems with Wi-Fi? Calling on your Simple Mobile phone? You're not alone. Simple Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, and Wi-Fi calling lets you make calls over Wi-Fi instead of cellular. This is great for areas with weak cell signals. However, issues with E911 address registration or IMS settings can cause problems. First, ensure your E911 address is correctly registered. This is the physical location associated with your account for emergency services. An incorrect or missing E911 address is a common cause for Wi-Fi calling to fail. Update or verify this via the Simple Mobile app or in your phone's settings. It uses GPS, so make sure location services are enabled. Next, IMS registration failed errors mean your phone can't properly connect to T-Mobile's network for VoIP services. Try toggling airplane mode on and off, resetting your phone's network settings, or updating the IMS profile in your phone's settings. Basic troubleshooting: restart device, toggle Wi-Fi calling on/off, check for carrier updates, and test with different networks. Make sure your device is compatible like a Samsung Galaxy S24 or iPhone 15 Plus with stable Wi-Fi of at least 10 Mbps and no VPN interference. If the previous steps didn't work, the issue might be with your router. Your router needs to support VoIP and allow specific ports for traffic. Ensure ports like 500 and 4500 for UDP TCP traffic are open. Enable UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, in your router settings. Also, check if your router has Quality of Service (QoS) settings, which prioritize voice data and prevent call drops. Outdated router firmware can also cause problems. Update your router's firmware to the latest version, or consider using a Wi-Fi calling certified router. Routers must support VoIP and allow ports like 500 and 4500 for UDP TCP traffic. Incompatible routers like older models without WPA3 encryption can cause failures. Case studies show that updating router firmware to enable SIP-ALG, Session Initiation Protocol Application Layer Gateway, and verifying E911 via T-Mobile's app can resolve issues. Remember, Wi-Fi calling is evolving and integrating with technologies like Wi-Fi 7. Future Simple Mobile apps will likely use AI to proactively fix E911 and IMS issues.